Hi, good morning, guys. So, today is the day that I have to join the ship. I just got up. Now I need to get ready and need to go. Alright, so stay tuned for the further updates. Give me more 5 minutes to sleep, please. Okay, hi, welcome back to my channel, guys. Well, guys, I am ready. I'm wearing the same clothes I used to, which I wear yesterday, because anyways, when I go on ship, it's not necessary that I'll start working on the first hour. I mean, I'll be having meetings. I'll see my room, my cabin where I'm gonna stay. So it's not necessary. So I wear my uniform and go on ship. So all set to go. All my luggage are packed. You can see these. I just need to leave now. So I'll show you in a way whatever I see as I promised you before. So stay tuned with me. Thank you. So well, guys, I'm leaving now. Okay, this is my lift. And these are my friends who gonna join with me. Say hi, hello. Hi. Need to carry all my luggage with me. So you both are excited?
Yes, very much.
Very much. Pretty excited.
So what are you expecting from the cruise ship? This is your first contract, right?
Yes, this is the first one.
So what are you expecting?
Nothing as usual, but little excited with the experience over here in Canada, Vancouver.
Okay.
And we'll expect a good thing happens and fruitful thing happens in future.
All right. Amen. Amen. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. This is the reception. Okay. See you, please. Is it allowed to video shoot over here?
Yeah.
So give me my money. Aloo? What do you like? Aloo? Aloo gobi?
Not aloo gobi, it's shahi paneer.
Shahi paneer you like? Okay. Yeah. Well, guys, I have checked out from the hotel now, and I'm waiting for the taxi. Taxi going to come anytime, and I'll get a taxi, and then I'll go to the boat. All right. All right, guys, I am leaving. You can see my taxi. Well, guys, can you see that ship over there? That is Queen Elizabeth. Oh God, this is what happened. Where's my ship? Oh, yes, that is Queen Elizabeth. My first glimpse of my ship called Queen Elizabeth. Well, guys, this area is known as a port area. You can see. I'll just show it to you. So guys, this is known as a port area, and I believe that you can see the number D, alphabet D. That would be our gate, and from there we're gonna go inside. Well, guys, the time has come that I need to go inside Queen Elizabeth. So my fingers are crossed. I don't know how's my contract going to go, but one thing I can tell you, I'm gonna make a lot of video and keep knowledging you about the cruise life. So guys, I'm not very sure whether I can film the video inside. So wish me luck for my new contract, guys. See you. Bye bye.